egg prices are higher than normal this Easter.
I've actually noticed they've gone down a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
My husband will pay whatever price for eggs.
Soaring to a new record of $6.23 per dozen.
They are made to look like the real thing from a mixture of resin, coagulant and starch, complete with pigment for color as well as a counterfeit shell. One person can make approximately 1,500 of them per day. People get fooled into buying these cheaper eggs. The eggs are not for human consumption and can cause various health issues.
The fake egg market is also booming in Germany. Shops are beginning to avoid the term Easter or skip it and switch to Christmas.
Hier atmet alles weihnachtliche Atmosphäre. Eine festliche Stimmung, die einlädt, auf Entdeckungstour zu gehen. Das macht derzeit umso mehr Spaß, denn jetzt kann man hier so manches Schnäppchen machen.
More than 168 million birds have been slaughtered to prevent the spread.
Na, Ladies. Oh, was ist mit euch? Bock, 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 bock. Weiße Sussex, White Sussex. Black Sussex. Where have you been? Hey. And Maran. Brown Maran. Yeah, green egg. And the Maran. Those who have subscribed to this channel may already know, but those who haven't for some reason will be wondering if I have achieved my goal. It all started with having my own eggs by Easter. Did I manage to have the own egg by Easter? The answer is at the end of the video. So keep on watching and enjoy a few peaceful minutes with the chickens. They just didn't want to go outside, but it was probably nice inside too. The very next day things looked completely different. Yes, the very next day on Easter Sunday, there was a Maran egg in the box early in the morning, and 2 more were added later. I will do another part where I will discuss the costs and the benefits of keeping chicken. I'm writing an egg log where I can show how many eggs they have already laid. So you don't miss out, you can subscribe to the channel for free. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.
Oh, es wird Zeit. Ihr solltet schon mal abschalten, ja.